Link building is an interesting topic, and there is a lot of debate whether these works or not. Single word answer would be yes. They still work and they are going to work until Google wants to lose relevancy of its search engine. In order to better understand what link building is, we have to understand that everything that we do in real life makes an impact on our personal life as well. The more people we know, the more references we have in our life, and that helps us to grow in some way or other. The same thing is applied by Google in case of their search engine. So what are links? Links help you build your business, and links are important. Even in real life, the more people you know, the more you're confident that there is someone that is going to help you out when you need them. Links are basically how many people know you and how relevant they are to you. The more relevant the links, the more helpful they are going to be for your business or for your personal life as well. And this is the same case of your website, your blog, or anything else that you are doing online that requires search engine, that requires you to get visibility through organic search to a search engine. So basically, links reflect the real world. The more people you know, the more you are going to grow your business. In order to simplify link building, think of it as your real life. The more relevant links you are going to know in your life, the more you are going to take help from them and the more they are going to help you grow. In some cases, the links are so powerful that you only need a few of them, or the links are not powerful enough that you need more of them. So this totally depends on your outreach, how you do it. Sometimes you get links naturally, as Google says, publish quality content and links will come. That doesn't usually happen. Usually doesn't happen in real life as well. There are chances of this, but a very slim one. So outreach is important. References help you grow your business. So as I said earlier, the more people you're going to connect with, you are able to grow your business using those references. The main thing to look out for is that references you are looking for should be relevant to your business. Basically, the same principle as in real life. If you know someone that has similar business to the one that you have, they are going to really help you out in something that you need help with. People in other businesses can also help you out, but how relevantly can they help you out is the question here. The more references you have, the more reach you will have, and the more business you will have. Let's say you own a medical store and you are selling medicines there. If you know people, those who sell medicines or some other products related to health that you are going to keep in your store, how helpful will they be to you? Very much, because they are more relevant to your business. More people you know in your same industry, the more business you're going to get out of them. This is the same principle that Google takes now when it comes to considering how valuable a link is that you have built or you have naturally gotten. So links help you build your business, whether online or offline. So this is the same theory that applies in the real world as well. And that's how the real world works. So that's the only reason that Google still to the date is using links to rank websites. They do have, less weight than they used to have before, but they are still valuable and they are going to be in future as well. One of the main things to consider is there are some sites that you can rank without links, and and that's definitely possible, but you have to see what type of competition you are dealing with. If you have more competition in your industry, you are going to have to build more links or more relevant links. In some extreme cases, you will have to build links from sites that have a much bigger reach, and links from those sites are going to cost you a lot of money. The more competition you have in your niche, the more budget you will require to build links. So in a saturated market, you do need more references or more links. You will have to assign a marketing budget according to that. You have to make sure your content is up to the quality. If your content is not up to the quality, right, and you build links to that content, the content is going to rank, and then Google is going to evaluate that content. And if that's not valuable to the readers, then it's going to demote your website. So you're going to waste so much of your budget doing this. So the first thing you need to focus is writing content that is really helping out people. You can't just go to some AI content writing site and then get some content generated there. It's just going to waste your time. Even before spending your budget on link building campaign, it's a good thing to spend most of it on your content and then spend on links. What I have seen is in industries where the competition is very high, unless you are building links and unless you have something that is very unique, you are not going to rank easily. Links are very important in case of saturated market. Certain industries like the health industry, something similar to that, Google takes much more time to rank those sites. And authority is the number one thing that it looks for. Authority, trust, expertise, and some other things as well that you have to keep in mind before taking any step further into link building. Links will help you build your authority, but content is going to help you in the long run. In some cases, if you have something unique, you need much less budget in terms of link building. You don't even need them in some cases. If you are starting a new business and you know some people already, that's going to help you a lot in your business. That's the same in case of your website as well. If you have some unique product and you get some good PR, you are going to get a lot of links from them, and that's going to help you. So that's why demand for unique product and having a unique product is be marketing for you. People also love unique things, and so does Google. But in case of a very saturated market, there is going to be a lot of competition, and you have to deal with that as well. So even if you have some product that is high in demand, but a lot of people are offering the same product, be ready to spend a lot of budget on your link building or your other online marketing campaigns as well. There is a reason people just opt for Google Ads instead of ranking their websites organically. Sometimes building links is so expensive that people just don't even consider doing it. In the long term, getting organic traffic is going to help those brands much more. The combination of running Google Ads and getting organic visits is the best thing that you can do for your business. One of the main things to consider when doing link building is if you are not spending the budget right, you are going to waste a lot of money on link building. Building quality links is very important. Low quality links work as well, fine sometimes, but not so much. And it's just a hit or miss. Apart from this, optimizing the right anchor text is also an important thing. The right link help your business grow, and this is where the idea of topical authority comes. A relevant reference is going to have a more value than a non-relevant reference. Let's say there are four friends. The first one is selling milk, the second one is selling cheese, the third one is selling car parts, and the fourth one is selling ice cream. So if all the four links know each other, which one are going to be helpful in terms of business? The third one is completely irrelevant to the other three, right? So this is what topical authorities are all about. Do you have enough expertise in a specific topic that you are writing about? That's the reason that niche sites rank much better than most general sites that have a lot of topics on them. So Google search works on the principle of real life. So this is the only way it can provide high quality search results. With the use of AI, maybe links will become less relevant, but they are not going to completely die off. Let's say you have a keyword that has a very good search volume. A lot of people are going to write content on that topic. How does Google know what page to rank in that case? Does content help you if there are 100 pages on the same topic and if 100 of those are written by some of the top writers in the world? What is the last thing that's Google going to consider in that case? That is only the authority that the website on which that page is going to be relevant in that case. In most of the cases, links are the final deciding factor. More relevant links are equal to more authority, and more authority is equal to more trust. And that's just what Google wants. It wants you to have more trust in the users. So this is the only reason that most of the big sites rank instantly for even a difficult keyword. And those who just say that they can rank their websites using content only. So good luck with that in case of a very highly competitive niche or market. This is one of the things that a lot of people don't talk about. Nobody really shares what's working for them and what's not. And Google has a different criteria for ranking different niches. And if something is working for you in one niche, is not going to work in some other niche. This is one of the topic that no one really talks about nowadays, but this is working great for some people. These link building softwares, or PBNs as we call them, people have gotten smart and they have just built PBNs that are more relevant and that have a more appealing look than they used to have before. And these cost more money, but they are definitely used by some people to rank their websites. I wouldn't recommend you use this. If you have some knowledge about this, then go ahead and do it. Most of the people don't do automated link building because they have, I would say, most of the agencies don't do this is because they have the budget to spend. on good links. Some agencies that still charge little money for SEO optimizations are still using these, and they are just building low quality links to their client sites. More links does not equal to more authority, and the only thing that matters are the relevant links. The more relevant links you build over time, the more authority you will have. If you have a new business domain, it's not going to rank instantly just because you're going to build links. It takes time to build trust in eyes of Google, and that's going to take some time. Minimum, I would say, is 3 months. Some sites start ranking instantly. If you have a low competition niche, if it's something that's high competition, even if you are going to just spend a lot of money on link building, it's going to take some time for your website to rank. And this totally depends upon the competition in your industry. This is similar to real life. No matter how much budget you use, you're going to spend it on marketing, and you're going to see results after a few months. Always think of building links as something that you would do in real life, as Google search works on the principle of real life as well. It was a human that created the concept of link building, so keep that in mind. And links are future proof. This is a prompt that I gave to Bard, and clearly states that Bard will use links to understand good content. Whether it's internal links or external links, links are always going to have some value in the eyes of Google.